My name is Tom Piersol, Marketing Manager at Columbia Forest Products. We're the largest decorative hardwood plywood manufacturer and veneer manufacturer in the United States. Things have been excellent with Holt. They are a full-service company that takes care of us from the design to the implementation to the end of the project. We attend initial meetings to talk about what our goals are. So we're trying to build business, we're introducing new products. What is the purpose of the trade show? So we will do that. And once we get the strategy combined, we will put that together, put it to paper, meet a couple of times to make sure we're happy with that. Then we'll budget it, and then we'll put the plan in action. Holt is very, very good at offering their input to us. We're paying the bill and we can do whatever we want, but at the same time, we want them to push us and say, with our experience, we would do this or that or that. They also hold us to task, keep us on deadline, so we don't have those last-second panics. I would recommend Holt to anybody. They're as good as any vendor that I actually work with. And the other thing about them is they are all over the country. So when you go to the destination, they have people there that you've been introduced to. You have their cell phone number, and they are with you every step of the way. They hold your hand, and they will not leave you until you're totally happy with your booth on location.